Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Diablo 4 high ping or latency. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first solution that you can do is to simply check your internet connection. So checking your internet connection is crucial when trying to fix high ping or latency in Diablo 4. So a smooth gaming experience relies heavily on having a stable and dependable internet connection, and by verifying your connection, you can ensure that there are no network issues or interruptions that could be causing the high ping. So you can restart your router or restarting your router, switching to a wired connection, and closing bandwidth intensive application can all help optimize your network connection and reduce latency, ultimately improving your gameplay in Diablo 4. And the next, what you can do is to optimize your network settings. So optimizing your network settings is essential to address high ping or latency in Diablo 4. So by adjusting your network settings, you can prioritize gaming traffic and reduce latency, resulting in a smoother gameplay experience. So enabling quality of service on your router or enabling UPnP and closing unnecessary background applications can all help optimize your network connection and improve the overall performance of Diablo 4. So next, what you can do is to choose the right server. So choosing the right server is essential when trying to fix the high ping or latency in Diablo 4. The server you connect to can significantly impact your ping and overall connection quality. So opting for a server that is geographically closer to your location can reduce the physical distance your data needs to travel, resulting in lower latency. And additionally, if you're experiencing consistently high ping on a specific server, switching to a different server can help alleviate the issue. So by um, selecting the appropriate game server, you can optimize your connection and enjoy a smoother and more responsive gaming experience in Diablo 4. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.